In this video you will know about a white coating on a baby. A tongue can be a common occurrence and is often attributed to a condition called oral thrush. This fungal infection is caused by an overgrowth of Candida albicans, a yeast-like fungus, in the mouth. Babies, especially those under 6 months old, are more susceptible to oral thrush due to their developing immune systems. The characteristic white patches on the tongue can also extend to the inner cheeks, gums, and roof of the mouth. These patches may resemble cottage cheese and can be difficult to wipe away. Red spots may appear within the white patches or on other parts of the mouth, indicating irritation and inflammation. If you notice persistent white patches on your baby, a tongue accompanied by red spots, or if there are concerns about their overall health and feeding patterns, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. Further details, please check description.